Are you tired of cluttering your kitchen with numerous appliances that serve limited purposes? If you're looking for an all-in-one solution to elevate your culinary adventures, the Cosori 11-in-1 26-quart ceramic air fryer toaster oven combo might be the answer to your prayers. In this detailed review, we'll explore why this innovative kitchen appliance deserves a spot in your home. Get ready to discover the future of cooking convenience. Unleash your culinary creativity. The Cosori 11-in-1 is not your typical toaster oven. It's a kitchen powerhouse that can handle a staggering 11 different cooking functions. Whether you're toasting, bagel making, pizza baking, air frying, air baking, air roasting, air Sous Vide cooking, proofing dough, broiling, dehydrating, or simply reheating your favorite dishes, this appliance has you covered. Say goodbye to the clutter of single-purpose appliances and welcome an era of versatility in your kitchen. Effortless cleanup with flat-sealed heating elements. One of the most dreaded aspects of cooking is the post-meal cleanup. The Cosori 11-in-1 is designed with your convenience in mind. It features flat-sealed ceramic heating elements that make wiping away messes and spills a breeze. Keep your oven looking pristine with minimal effort. Accessories to elevate your cooking game, to make your culinary adventures even more exciting. The Cosori 11-in-1 comes with 5 essential accessories. The package includes a splatter guard, wire rack, sheet tray, roasting rack insert, and a frying basket. With these accessories at your disposal, you can take your cooking to new heights, experimenting with different recipes and techniques. Efficient cooking with 3 heating elements. The Cosori 11-in-1 boasts 3 ceramic heating elements, positioned at the top, bottom, and back of the oven. This setup ensures that your food cooks quickly and evenly, so you can savor every bite without worrying about uneven cooking. Innovative burner function for added convenience. One of the unique features of this appliance is the innovative burner function. Leave the oven door open and use this function to cook eggs and other pan-fried delicacies. It's a great addition for those quick breakfasts or anytime you need a stovetop-like cooking experience. Impressive XL capacity for cooking freedom. With the Cosori 11-in-1 XL capacity, you can easily cook 9 slices of toast, a 7-pound chicken with vegetables, or 12-inch pizzas. It's the perfect solution for preparing 2-sheet pan meals for gatherings, meal planning, or simply when you want to cook in batches. Say goodbye to the limitations of smaller ovens. Safety features for peace of mind. Safety is a top priority with the Cosori 11-in-1. It comes with an auto shut-off feature that pauses cooking when the door is opened, preventing accidents and ensuring your safety. Additionally, the overheat protection feature turns off the oven if overheating occurs, giving you peace of mind during operation. In conclusion, the Cosori 11-in-1 26-quart ceramic air fryer toaster oven combo is a game-changer for home cooks. Its versatility, easy cleaning, accessories, efficient cooking, innovative burner function, XL capacity, and safety features make it a standout kitchen appliance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your cooking experience. Click the link below to explore the full product specifications and add this culinary marvel to your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.